Hello, everyone. I'm talking about Classe365 and how Classe365 uses Google Workspace Scopes within the application. Just a little bit about Classe365. Classe365 provides a unified education management platform for educational institutions, including schools, universities, colleges, and even corporates as well. So we offer a tech suite to manage the entire student lifecycle, starting from the time student gets an admission up until they become an alumni. So let's look at why Class 365 needs to use Google Workspace scopes. Google Workspace Scopes defines the level of access and permission that an application can use within the customer's Google Workspace account. By using scopes, platforms like Class 365 can ensure that it only requests the necessary access to perform its intended function, while also maintaining, the security and privacy of customers' data. So scopes help Class 365, be within the Google API policies and guidelines to ensure that there's more seamless and secure integration within Class 365 and Google Workspace. So essentially, Class 365 uses four different types of integrations within the Google Workspace account. So one is through Google Meet, Google Drive, Google Classroom, and the Google single sign-on within the account. So let me give you a quick example of how it's all used. So essentially, the first thing we do is there's an option where you could use the single sign-on option through Google account. So you can log in through Google. So this uses Google SSO scopes. So once that is logged in, all the Google assets get synced. So the other ways where Google Scopes is used is within our events module. So if you go into the events, um, here under calendar sync, there is a sync to Google Calendar. So essentially, all the school calendars can be synced with Google Calendar as well. The third place where it is used is within our learning management platform. So under that, if you go into any of the cohorts or the subjects, as an example here, so within the subject, there is an option where you can use Google Drive here as well. So that uses the Google Drive scopes. You can also enable Google Classroom as well. So under the apps settings here, so if you go into Google Workspace, so there's option where you can enable Google Classroom as well. So that also enables you to sync the Google Classroom as well. So there, if I go back um, to the application, so under the quiz or assessment, uh, you will have the Google Classroom sync here as well. So essentially, these are the ways Class 365 uses Google Workspace Scopes. There's more documentation on how it is done. So if you go into docs.classy365.com and just search on Google, uh, Workspace integration, so you will have all the information on scopes and how it is used up here as well. So that's all about how Class 365 uses um, Google Workspace scopes. If you have any questions, please reach out to us under as support at class365.com, or you can also reach out to us within the in-app support tool as well. Thank you for watching this video.